how to get results with e-commerce affiliate marketing as a beginner or advanced marketer in 2023 and going further. So in this video, we're going to look step by step all the models, how it works, and why you can be very successful if you take this affiliate marketing deal very serious. So as you can see with CPA deals, right, cost per acquisition is very strategic and pays very well. So if you're looking to make money fast, to get immediate cash flow, and you want to be an affiliate marketer promoting e-commerce products, then it is very great for you. Why? Lots of people, as you know, they use Amazon retail or they promote on Amazon e-commerce products, and it pays really low. It, even at least for myself and other affiliates, is not worth promoting. Why? Because here I can earn 100% or even more per sale, in some cases 200% per sale, because I'm getting CPA deals, right? Very important thing. Now let me show you one of the e-commerce websites and landing pages that I'm personally using to get results, right? You can see, right, this is not a whole page. This is just structured deal, basically a page and half of the page. So I'm not showing you everything so you can copy and paste, but I'm showing you here so you can see how this all works, right? In this is in the fitness space. Now I can promote smartwatches, for example, in the fitness space as an e-commerce product, which can be really successful if you run Google ads promoting these e-commerce products. Why? Because as you know, fitness and weight loss niche is really very huge, especially in Canada, US and Australia, right? All people want to lose weight. They want to track their calories, their body fat percentage. So these watches are really nice things, right? And you can earn really good money if you know how to promote them and to what audiences, right? And if you have, of course, tracking set up correctly. So as you can see over here, right, I'm segmenting audiences depend on what age group they're in. So once they click on the age, let's say they click on 35 to 45 years old, female or male, right? They will be presented to the VSL, basically to go to the straight to e-commerce advertiser, or let's say product owner, where they can buy these watches or weight loss supplements and things like that, right? So e-commerce products. And the beauty of this thing is I'm getting paid immediate daily commissions, right? So that's very important thing. Now another thing with e-commerce, let me show you over here what we are doing, right? Using basically Google Ads is, as you can see over here, we start with at least 5 to 10 different ads, right? And then split test them to see what angles, what headlines, what ad text, exactly, right, is working really well. Now we do native ads, native advertising, and we also do, like for example, on Taboola, Outbrain, on any other networks, right? And we also do it on Google Ads, so Google PPC, promoting CPA offers. So with e-commerce niche, what is good, right, is we test different angles. We see, okay, this ad, this image is working really well. And then we see, okay, so if this one is performing really well, I will segment them, right? I will kill the ads that are not performing well, and I will scale and optimize the ads that are working really well, right? So the most important thing is, this is not on ClickBank or Mike's Web. There are private networks out there where you can earn really good structured CPA deals, right? So I have connections with private networks, and I know, this week or this month in April or May, this offer is doing really well, this smartwatch, right? People making millions promoting this. I say, okay, great. I will go and test that offer because it's already proven to work, right? It makes a lot of sense. Now, stay with me, please, because I want to share with you what you have to ask yourself if you want to be successful with e-commerce affiliate marketing, or even just promoting ClickBank products, right, as an affiliate. You can see over here, I choose Google Ads because we are looking for buyers leads, right? We look for buyers. The intent is very important, right? So intent. Now, first of all, before you start affiliate marketing, right, you have to ask yourself 4 questions, which is this, because there are 4 kinds of risks and profit. So you have to ask, will I gain or lose time? How much time will I have to put into this, right? The next thing is identity. Will they gain or lose sense of themselves? Will you lose yourself in this, or will you gain something from this? Money investment. Will you gain or lose money? And energy, of course. Will you gain or lose effort or energy? That's a very important thing. And when I ask these questions with e-commerce affiliate marketing, right, promoting physical products, I say, Of course, it's easy to promote physical products, especially in fitness and weight loss niche. If I know that people are spending millions per day buying different gadgets, smartphones, backpacks, fitness gadgets, whatnot, right? There are millions and tons of products out there that people are just mindlessly purchasing, right? Because it doesn't cost a lot to spend $50 or $300 or $400 to buy a gadget, right? So if you can position yourself correctly as an affiliate, and if you understand what kind of lenders you're using, what kind of ads are you using, and what kind of tracking tools you have in place, it doesn't take a genius to get sales, to get conversions, to get leads, right? So if you're watching this video, maybe you do need someone to help you or guide you through along the way, or coach you one-on-one, so that you know, okay, we choose this e-commerce product or this offer, we set up these ads, and we use this exact landing page, right? And this is how it works, my friend. This is how you can get results. But until you procrastinate, not take action, you're scared to put $2 or $3 or $4 or $5,000 down to get really, really great results, it will not happen for you, right? You can buy cheap ebooks, cheap courses, cheap things online, but they're gonna promise you riches overnight. But if you don't understand, e-commerce affiliate marketing is for someone serious who really want to get results. And if you wanna get results, the logic should tell you, right? It makes a lot of sense, I think, to have someone to help you along the way one-on-one and step by step to guide you. This product is working, so I'm not wasting my energy, time, and money, right? So if you're watching this video and if you really want to get the results with affiliate marketing, as you can see over here, right, all this lifestyle, and I'm sharing on my IG, on my YouTube, it's possible because of affiliate marketing, right? Because I made a decision a long time ago that I will not settle for 9 to 5 for the boss, right? And to actually travel around the world while you're still young, while you still have health, or help your family move forward in life. And I think if you have family, if you have kids, or you want to have results in life, you do need to have someone to help you. Every big name in industry of affiliate marketing, of entrepreneurship, they all had, even sport players like Michael Jordan, right? Mike Tyson, everyone had some coach, some mentor to help them along the way. They did not watch YouTube videos for free only to get the results, right? So if you want to have these results with e-commerce affiliate marketing, promoting supplements or weight loss offers or gadgets, do let me know, right? So what you can do next is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips, okay? And follow me on Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, email me, right? Whatever you want, if you're serious, if you really want to get results with affiliate marketing, promoting e-commerce products. So again, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.